What's up, guys? Have you ever heard of the chocolate factory in Hua Hin? I hadn't, but I have now because I'm standing here at the front door. So I say we take a walk inside and see what we can find. The chocolate factory entrance. Ooh. It is nice and well lit. I'm definitely interested to see what is inside this place because I just think it's going to be cool. And if it's a place where they actually make chocolate, there's not anybody here right now, which means you can pretty much record inside with what I don't think would be any issues. So, oh, beautiful little almost like a moat around the entranceway here. Little waterfall. I'm always good for a waterfall. And then we are going to walk inside of the chocolate factory. Hua Hin. I can already see the sign there. I don't know if you can. Chocolate is ground from the bean of happiness. Ooh. That sounds like a really, really, really good market to be in. Yeah, so this is like the real deal. They got hand sanitizer, which we would definitely be using. Let's look at some of the goodies in here. This is like they have cocoa body butter, 450 baht. So I guess you put your body in chocolate. Why not, right? Chocolate is great. And I don't know. Oh, pure wildflower honey. I may definitely have to get some of that. So they have all kind of things. Effective microorganisms. Maybe that's to grow some of this stuff. There's honey lemon syrup. Wow. Really, really interesting. Really, really interesting foods here. Puff stick coffee, milk chocolate almond cookie. There's some kind of signature dish from the coffee factory itself, or the chocolate factory itself. So they have the dark chocolate, 80% dark chocolate, 60%. White chocolate, 29%. I bet that's good. Milk chocolate, 33%. I mean, how often do you see that, right? And I guess that is the kitchen where they bake this stuff. Look at this. Dark truffle. Supreme. Whew, I'm already fat. But this is going to be a bad night. I can already feel it. Because you see that almond toffee milk right there? I'm probably going to overload on that at some point. Oh, and they have almond white bite. Oh, 30 baht a piece. Yeah, you would probably say that's a little bit expensive, but remember, this is the chocolate factory. It's a whole different. It's like, going out to eat somewhere expensive. So much nice stuff here. I don't even know where to begin with. That soft white looks delicious, delicious, and it says bestseller. They actually have matcha. Check it out, matcha. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Decoration here, and then I guess this is a little board talking about how they do it. This is what I was reading when I came in, so don't think I'm some kind of poet or something. But everything's written in Thai, so I can't read it to you, unfortunately. And the chocolate factory shop and restaurant. I just want to give you guys a little view of the restaurant. I'm not going to show a bunch of people or anything. There's only a few people in here, but here's the bar, like the restaurant area. And then out here would be the restaurant itself. And here's some of the items I'm sure you could choose from. Obviously they have a bar with wines and that kind of thing in it, so You guys tell me what you think. Would you be interested in the chocolate factory? I sure am.